So I watched an internet tutorial about how to reupholster chairs, and now I'm clearly a professional. The first step is going to be to remove the old material, but be very careful when you're removing the old staples because you can hurt yourself pretty badly. I suggest using gloves with a rubber grip or anything else that might help you in this endeavor. Anything, whatever you need. Now, once you get most of the staples removed, you do want to remove the fabric and the disgusting 50-year-old foam that's been in that chair for who knows how long. I'm going to go ahead and trace my foam with a Sharpie and sign my name on the wood for anybody that might come and do this after me. The internet tutorial told me to use a utility knife to cut my foam, but there's no way that was going to work, so here I'm actually using fabric scissors. Fabric time. Now I got all of this stuff on Amazon, so do not ask me to list it. I'm going to use fabric chalk and our old fabric to go ahead and draw a guideline of where I will cut my new fabric. Let's do some batting. Here I am measuring my batting completely wrong, and here I am measuring my batting correctly, or at least better. I got this staple gun at the hardware store because they had a really helpful sign that said if you're doing upholstery, you need an electric staple gun. It also told me what size staples to get, and I want to tell you guys, use the shorter staples with your batting, and then go ahead and use your longer staples with your fabric, and it just works out better that way. Now, another thing that I do suggest is watching several videos before, during, and after about how to do the corners of chairs with fabric. They're pretty hard to do, but if you watch several people, you'll come up with your own way of doing it too. I like to get all my sides in place. You really want to keep these nice and tight, and then I will attack the corners. So now we're ready for corners. Nice and soft rose gold velvet. All right, let's get it. You're really trying to just make the corners as smooth as possible. So whatever you need to do. And again, videos are helpful. I did stop several times to watch other people's videos and get some real advice. There we go, finished product, nice and smooth. It's time to put this baby on a chair. Oh, but wait, remember that black fabric that was on the bottom that I first was ripping off? I forgot that I needed that, but luckily this white fabric came with my batting, so we're going to use that instead. I actually think it looks better. Finished product. Have a seat.